Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect your OKX SUI wallet to MemeFi. So for this method, you'll need a VPN to get started. So first, just download a reliable VPN app. And for this tutorial, I'm using the Hola application because it's free and it works great. So you can just download any VPN that offers servers in supported regions. So you can just download any, depends on you. So once you have downloaded a VPN that works great for your region, you can then go to your MemeFi wallet, and then from the homepage you can see that there is wallet. You just have to tap on that, and once you do that, you'll see that there is a setting icon at the top right corner, so just click on that and you'll be redirected here. So we'll just have to copy the wallet address, so tap on copy to clipboard. After that, on the wallet section, you can see that there is a wallet A, account number 1. So we'll have to tap on this one. And then here is where you can add a wallet. So just tap on that. So once you tap on that, you can see that there is an import wallet. So we'll just have to tap on that so that we can connect our wallet to the OKX. And then just tap on this seed phrase or private key. And then this will show up, which is just a security tip, so we'll just have to tap on OK. So from here, you can paste here the wallet that we have copied earlier, so just tap on that paste and it will automatically paste the address. And once you have pasted and confirmed the address, you will be redirected here, and you just have to tap on this EVM compatible networks and then tap on confirm. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!